How to delete Viber account permanently. To permanently delete your Viber account, follow these steps here. First of all you have to do is open the Viber app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your Viber account. Now, all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon more option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings of Viber. Then once inside the settings, tap on the account option available at the top. Then once you tap on the account, you will be navigated to account section where you can see deactivate account option available there. So as you can see, Viber does not have a built-in option of delete account, but what you can do is simply deactivate the Viber account and delete the Viber app from your mobile device. So now here simply type down your phone number and tap on the deactivate account option available there. Then simply tap on the deactivate to confirm it. Then as you can see, my Viber account has been deactivated. Now let's go back to the home screen, then simply delete the Viber app from your mobile device. Long press on the Viber app and you'll get to see delete option available there. Tap on the delete and confirm the deletion. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.